stand. You sef go laugh out loud. Because why? Nothing better pass na your health. You know say this life get plenty bad moments where they add as Jara and Fisi to change our world. Welcome to the show where they talk about your well body and lifestyle, aka na your health. I be your Ninja half caste Luchi Inobong, and not be only me waka come. As usual, I get my funky, kinky, lovely, spooloofic doctor.
Oh God, only me. Now me be Dr. Adora now. Now sabi me. Welcome to the show.
Yes, Dr. Adora, they here with me for inside the show today. And we're going to yarn you different things. You know, say when we won't go party, we won't go do faji, you go cack up. Your packaging has to make sense. But you know, say your packaging no fee ever complete if you know spray better. Fragrance, and not be just fragrance. Fragrance will get better radiance, aka perfume.
You know, say this perfume, a lot of us we like plenty of us we like the perfume well. But we no even sabi as this perfume take waka from the beginning reach now. So for today's show, we go sunshine now. The thing where you suppose wear, the kind of perfume where you suppose wear, go different occasion. Then how this perfume they take follow body waka on top the matter. Then on top all of this one, we will tell you some kind medical inventions. Then we don't come out on top this matter where we the yarn you so on top the perfume things. And then on top all this one, we will give you our gang fight on top how you suppose use this perfume, make it good for your body, the kind way where you suppose wear them, who you suppose as in the occasion where you go wear and go, and how you go take keep and wear made for the kajak for your body.
Oh yes, you know, see Dr. Adora, as we talk of fragrance, we talk of perfume, we talk of different classes, wait till you go wear commot, wait till you no go wear commot. Wait till be the worst perfume. One no say you don't ever smell, or you don't ever wear. No, which one you don't wear, you don't wear.
Why you don't look me like that? If you like say you know what I want to talk about. You know what I want to say right now.
No, really. My tell you the one where I don't smell. You get one place where I go like this, the guy just passed. And if you see this guy packaging, this guy makes sense. Die! I don't they look, I don't they eye from corner of my eye. But you know me now, I go to like Sunday this year.
How did it take me? Anyway, Luchi, man, I've been one talking before say. The other day, as you are coming to the walking, I've been perceiving it something.
As you are coming to read to, you are walking too.
Anyway, we go leave that one because right now we want sunshine information. We go make your ear turn that the way it's supposed to be. You know, as we do them now, we go come back, not go anywhere.
No go anywhere. Now your health will soon return.
come back. I see as your ear just they stand as you they look me so. Anyway, like we promised now before we go on this break, we say we go soon to the different type of perfume fragrance way day. And one of the things where I want to start with you now, which is that they call eau de cologne.
So as you call it, like say you really go to school of francophone.
No, it's not my fault. You know, when you go to a better school, they'll be teach you how to pronouncing some things.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not my fault that you went to. Anyway, this eau de cologne, you get what they call 7% of the essence with the inside them, come mix with like a 60 degrees or 70 degrees of alcohol. Now, waiting that they use comprise that the that the compression of this thing that they take from this eau de cologne. And the thing about this one, we say, you know, they two last for body. If you spray them like this, after like 2 to 3 hours, you go gas to spray them again because the way they make them, they don't make them make it just there tanda. As you spray them, after some time the thing goes. So you got to refresh them, they go down and why they call them the eau cologne.
All right, from that one, we they enter the eau de toilette.
Okay.
This is a miss.
Later now.
I go talk say.
I go talk say that me pronounce and pass.
All right, this eau de toilette, what they talk of, so it gets about 10% of the essence oil. That's now one of the main things where they use to mix them, shake, made it in they mix very well. Now that one, as it gets like 10% of the essence oil for inside there, you know they too last too. They like you got to be refreshing them every 3 to 5 hours. When you spray them first, the smell go they hit you, go they say wow.
Hey, Luchi,
but after
no
some 2 minutes,
no wonder you they quick they spray. Every time I go see you for office, you do like this.
But I don't want my money for afford now. I don't go like
no, it good though, it good. I just say one now, you know say
I don't want my money for afford now
they
too. Now so that eau de toilette you get for use them every 3 to 5 hours because it's not too strong for body. From eau de toilette we they do eau de perfume. I like his name, the eau de perfume. This one, they say you get about 15 to 20% of the essential oil where they use to mix them. If they stay for up to 5 hours on top of your body, and the one where sleeping pants we say, it not to cost. That means say you feel afford them, me I feel afford them. I don't run a big babe, so I don't know whether they use that kind of thing.
I they use anyone way good for my body. I know they select. I'm a very, you know, gay. Anyway, the next one we want songs given and this one you not get any eau for front. They just call them perfume. Unto say this one are the ogbonge. You get like 40% of this essence oil where they talk about where they make the fragrance to they sweet you well. And this one, now this kind of perfume where they do no leave no transfer. Where if you sometimes if you wash
your clothes, because see they smell.
Go there. Exactly. Now this type. And this one they feel they last like 6 hours or more. You don't even need to, spray on too much. That's now why you get some people when you just enter somewhere like this, as they just enter. Everybody will just turn, say, who be that? Who just enter now. Now, because of that perfume, where they spray. But some people, they're not they pity for this perfume. Instead of them to they spray, I'm like 2 drops, 1, 2, 10, they go just pack and bath with them. You don't enter you get some people. Now, so their body they go just bath with the thing.
You know, even as they bath with them, you get some people who know say when they just apply this perfume, when they over apply for your body, you when they pass for them, they like say maybe they cough.
Exactly, because the thing they choke you, they choke everywhere. And now this perfume now so it be very, very strong something.
Wow, wow. But you know that when they talk about perfume like this, so where you think say you suppose they apply perfume? Because Dr. Adara, they talk this thing because of you.
Why now?
I don't see where your brother, he put her for back like this here for back.
Who be the brother? Okay, you know one exposure for you, no problem. It's okay. It's okay.
So I beg, tell us where person suppose they apply this perfume.
You get one thing where you people they call pulse points. I like as it's in deep in my mouth, pulse points. Anyway, these pulse points, now, like for example, for here, this wrist around this side, then even here follow. It follow. What do they call them pulse points? They say that place when you as your blood they beat and all. Now one of the places where they easy for you to sweat on top, and as this sweat they come out, as they evaporate. That now when they come out for your body, it go help the perfume make for smell better. Some others they behind your ear, behind your neck. Now some of these pulse points, they even behind your knee at the back. That one to another pulse point.
Wow. And that time I know say I be the spray. You get as I go spray, and when I spray, I'll come do like this.
No. Very bad. It's a very bad something. All those things where you go be like say you they wash clothes because you spray perfume. No, very bad.
I say make the thing so that I go they last now. Make the thing spread. Make not there for 1 point.
When you do them like that, waiting they happen. They say it go kill. You know say when you I want to put on like say you put something you can't cover around. Now, when you press them like that, they diminish. That's what you go talk. Reduce as the thing will take smell. So therefore, you don't go get value for your money. So, but if you just put them there, leave them normal, no need. You just do like this, make it dry. And that time, after some time, the thing go they full everywhere. Your body go they smell nice.
And you know, say for these classes of perfumes, what they talk of, so here the cologne. You see, say cologne, it sounds masculine.
Exactly.
Masculine.
Yes. And the thing about this one, they say, men, you get what they call pH for person body. pH now like the acidity and the basicity, all those ones are big English. But the pH level for our body different. Men own different from women. On to say men their own too they acidic past women own. And that now why you get some kind of perfume way good for men and some way good for women. That's why they go say this one for home. Now so French people they talk on for home. Later they go say this one now for for fame.
You go fear for home perfume. I beg hold on, no versi. We want buy small break make we enter market because you see say that perfume we they talk about so you don't they finish for inside market. We they come back. We they come back with more information on top na your health. So come out your shoe or leave them. Now your health don't return. Welcome back. This is Now Your Health with your Naija half-caste Luchi and our funky doctor, Dr. Dora.
That's me.
Yes, and for you we want to come out for inside this matter, no forget, no lele, no think am too much, no reason am terribly. Because why? We get all our social media platforms. We dey on top Facebook we na Wazobia TV NG. We dey on top Twitter. We dey on top Instagram. We dey on top with our website. If you even follow, we still get
send
our
us
personal email.
Exactly.
You know, I feel like saying again. You the reason with me, the reason now. The reason now together. Check it out. All right, now we don't they carry the group. They go front. Yes, we they carry they go front. The next one we will tell you now about fragrance tip. You self would they like to get fragrance. I know say they like to get different variety. So because you want different variety, we will give you different varieties of tips. You know what I'm saying? Now one of the things where we always tell you on top of the health show today, we go yarn you say because you want different fragrance, it go good make you get different kind of smell because fragrance gets different places where you go spray and go. You get the one where we get flower, they call them floral scents. That one they good for outdoor events. You get the one we get fruity and nice fruity scent. That one, you know when you go take, we'll go tell you that one later when you feel use that one and when you don't feel use that one. Then we get the ones where they smell like ocean, they smell like water.
But they smell fresh. Very fresh.
Very fresh.
And they call them water.
Ocean.
Water fragrance.
Water fragrance. Ocean fragrance. I think they call that one. So you get different tips and fragrance where we don't already give you on top of the show today.
Yeah, so and like we talked before, we go tell you where you feel they use some of this fragrance go. For example, if you they go walk, it no good make you just pack all those very strong one way go they choke everybody. You know say walk in a serious place. So when you they go walk like this, at least get all these light ones. If you feel even get the water one where people no go fit, no go too, scatter people nose. It good make you there, or even if not the waiting that they call this one again, whether not the fruity ones, we go mild.
We they mild, yes. So that people no go too disturb. No go provoke some people.
Exactly.
They no go they lose concentration because of you.
Some people now so they go do the kind thing like this when they do and finish. People no go fit. The people go just they sneeze, they cough for inside office. It no good make you they wound other people. Make you they very considerate for the matter. Another one be say if you won't go follow your your boo-boo or your bubble or your if now you be bubble we won't follow your chikala komote. Please, I'm talking to the married people. If you're not married,
I'm not saying you must put that jara on top of it. You guys to add that jara for them.
Or even if you never marry, they prepare to marry. You know those kind of things where bros they follow get they come out. It could make you use those ones. People they tantalize your partner's senses. Yes, especially if you have married, so that after the dinner something, you go fit, Answer present for the other side.
Now,
Yes,
you
it's
enter
just
that
a-
level again.
It's not my fault.
From date night to girls' night out, the next one we will get on top here again. Now, if you and your girls, you and your babies, now one just do casual outing. That one, the kind of fragrance where you go carry for there, it go better make you use the floral type. Those floral ones, it is feminine. Number one, floral, flower. And you know, flower get different names. They get hibiscus flower, they get the rose flower. Any one where you want to use, the girls' night out, if you use those kind of fragrance or those kind of perfume.
All those type where they use, they spray when we won't go out together now. When they go that side.
When I was that.
Why you they pretending?
Which
Because you don't want
fragrance
to show, you don't want to show everybody. Say we they party after.
They party, but I never smell. I don't tell you your smell before now.
Hey,
I don't tell you now. You want me to talk again?
Have mercy, we're on the TV.
If you they go for casual weekend, that one means say you just they go hang out. If they hang out or you they go supermarket. You they go supermarket. I don't understand why you go supermarket. You're going to use the strong perfume for our market. No. You don't need that.
Abattoir.
No waste your money. Abattoir. No go abattoir. They use strong perfume. You go use the mild ones. You feel the ones where they almost smell like normal body spray. Now that kind of type now you go use for your casual weekend outing.
Then I get the one where I like this one very well because I like by day things. You know, this by day celebration. When you celebrate by day, or even when you graduate, all these days now special days. So as far as I'm concerned, people go all out. Yes, buy that correct perfume, that one where you like, where you know say, ha, when you just enter, let you go, no say, hey, Luchi don't arrive. Or hey, Dora baby don't arrive. Or hey, you where they look me so. Say you don't show. The ones where they fit associate with you, you know. They fit just say this one. No, this girl be this one, and this guy be this. So it could make you go out of your way. On those special occasions, get special bottles where you not go to spray. Or that one where I talk about before where they call perfume. When they not put you for front. Now that type where you supposed to use for all these kind of special occasions.
Okay, on top of the special occasion, you know, say Christmas.
Hey,
Santa Claus is coming to town. Yes, so for your Christmas and for your New Year, you get Christmas, you get New Year celebration. This is not the time for you to come out bold, come out strong. No, they fear. Go get that perfume. We're ready to summer anybody knows. So that on how you pass like this, they're not going to follow you. They go. Now that kind of one. Now that kind of perfume that you're supposed to use during your Christmas and your New Year celebrations.
Another one maybe they celebrate very well now. We know now. Mother's Day. Very important. You know our mothers, you don't get anybody maybe like your mama. You don't get anybody maybe represents your mama. Yes. So it's good. This one, you know they buy for yourself. Buy for that special somebody. Not be only your mama. You get some people who don't play better role for your life. Go out of your way, buy something nice, you know, for your mothers to celebrate that Mother's Day for person life. Then also you get waiting that they call where did they call this one? Wedding too.
Wedding.
Yes, for wedding, very special. Go out of your way. Go, you know, get all this fruity, whether not fruity or whether not seductive one for Oga. Make Oga yes. So that when people finish the powering something, when people enter room, Oga no go fit think straight again, he go just do what he's supposed to do. You know the way he's supposed to do.
All right, very quickly, the last one we will get just before one bar break. Give you the next segment where they come. Now another fragrance tip, you know, say when you want apply your perfume, you go better make you rub cream for your body. Because why? Now that cream then go ginger the full package swagger of that fragrance. So when you want apply your fragrance, rub body cream. Rub something for your body. They call it moisturizer, and I ain't go help.
Exactly, and the reason why this thing they help is say most of the perfume them get this alcohol and it's a dry body. So this body cream where you rub go help you. Then on top of that one, this alcohol where they inside the perfume. Some people they go carry and spray on top their hair. I don't see that thing before. Person won't come out. She don't spray body finish, so she just carry and do like they say my hair they smell. I beg that alcohol they damage hair. So make you know they spray perfume on top of your hair. It's very, very important. Then get hairspray. Use the hairspray.
Use the hairspray.
So now there we go take enter break now. When we come back, we go sunshine our Gen 5 on top this matter will be the sunshine. So we consign fragrance and your well body. We dey come back.
We dey come back with more informate on top na your health. So come out your shoe or leave them. Na your health. Return. All right, welcome back. Now still now your health on top Wazobia TV, where they for Start Times channel 195. The next segment we won't give you so now one of our customized package, and we they call them Gang 5. Now they give you so not go anywhere. The first one they say you go apply them before you wear clothes. Perfume that be fragrance, they ginger when heat or chemical reactions dey. It dey work better when it dey body pass when it dey cloth. In fact, it dey spoil cloth. But that one no mean say you no go fit spray am for cloth. E get as you go do am where the perfume no go spoil am. You fit spray the perfume for the shoulder pad of your cloth hanger or the shoulder pad of your cloth for cloth wey get padding. That's na indirect application for perfumation. Another way to make your perfume last long na to use the right amount according to the season. You don already hear say heat dey totori the gele of perfume to provoke the ginger make the scent strong for body. It just means say you go suppose use small quantity if na strong perfume, or pot go use the one wey no too strong. But no forget say heat dey make the perfume vamoose sharp sharp. So if you wan use the one wey no strong, you gats to dey sprinkle am for body every now and then. My brother, my sister, as you dey spray the spray na aga-aga, make you remember say some kind insect dey like as you dey smell, especially if your perfume get sweet floral scent. Know your skin type. So for every skincare product wey you dey buy, e good make you know the kind skin wey you get. As perfume get different way in dey relate with oily and dry skin. The alcohol wey dey perfume dey comot kpakpakpa from dry skin pass oily skin. So you wey dey grumble for your oily skin, you go fit smile now because your perfume go gum your body pass person wey get dry skin. Not too jealous if you get dry skin. Just use cream wey get the same scent as the perfume. Knack am for body before you spray your perfume, as na im go make your ministry celebrate your skin like never before. Dey change your perfume as your body dey change. As Sabinus Association don talk, your body dey change every week. So e go make sense to follow your body chemistry. They know which of your favorite perfume they give you carry go sign for your body. Keep perfume well. The things wey dey inside perfume dey spoil when heat and light jam am for head collusion even before you launch the perfume sef. Especially those perfume wey no too strong o. As the mixture of perfume different, some fit cause kro-kro for your skin. To make sure say these things no do you, e good make you keep your perfume for place where they dry and cool. You don learn one or two things from this show, or you get wetin you go like to yarn about the show? Waka with Confido. Enter on top our Twitter @nayourhealth. Talk as e dey do you for body. We still get our email wey be nayourhealth@wazobiatv.tv. In case you get one or two questions where you feel say we go fit answer for you. We dey on top Facebook. Just waka go wazobiatv.tv and type as e dey do you for body. #nayourhealth. Na your health don return. Welcome back. I know say you don't enjoy today package. Don't be small. Our gang 5 now you don't ginger you, carry you go up, carry you go up. But now one step am down. Step am down.
From gear 1 to gear 2 to gear 3, 4 and 5, like my Luchi got to come for here.
Yes.
So we want to so.
We already give you the different classes of fragrance. You, we don't know say perfume get class, they get category. You did very welcome. We don't tell you which one where you suppose you still go outside, still go on dates, still go different kind of occasion, and even your workplace. So next time, no mistaking the perfume where you suppose use for party, carry and wear for office. We don't come give you better inventions. Yes, inventions where I know say you know they get that kind of information for anywhere else except for Na Your Health show. And finally, our Gang 5. Even your ESF, I know say you don't stand before. Our Gang 5 don't come make you stand that gidigbam gym. Say this show, it ain't going nowhere.
Exactly. So I saw say with everything where you don't learn, so you self as you look me, you go to your wardrobe, look the perfume where you get, and in case you don't even get anyone, it is very important. Handlele, waka enter one place, you know, so we don't mean say you make you go buy that very big ogbonge one. We don't talk the eau de cologne, talk the eau de parfum, talk the eau de toilette, all these ones where we feel use, where even if they're not too expensive, they still they do the work. But if you afford the big one, big one, carry on, do what you need to do to make sure say you smell nice, because it is very important. See, people they associate you with better fragrance. Not be say when they see you like this, they go take cover because onto say, somebody is smelling a badness things. So with these few points of ours, time have reached for us to close the curtain, draw it, and say goodbye. Yes, so from myself, Dr. Adora, and your Sempelicious
Ninja half-caste Luchi Inobong.
We are saying
bye, Cario.